Morning. Oops. Morning, guys. Happy Monday. New week, new opportunities. Okay, I see a lot of good setups today. Meta, Google, Amazon, AMD, and Apple all have really good setup. All are near important levels. My main watches today are Google, 140 level, either act as support or as a rejection point. Meta 310, 310, it's important meta. Right now I see a meta, it's like bouncing from that pre-market. Um Amazon 132, very important too. It's either gonna act again as a rejection point or as support. Apple I'm sorry, AMD 105 is right at 105. So if loses 105, AMD is gonna be weak and it's gonna go lower to either 102, 104. If act as support, I can see a bounce here. But and Apple, but I'm not looking to trade Apple. I'm just looking to just watching how Apple is gonna react to 178, which right now pre-market is kind of like rejecting. Pre-market is rejecting 178. So Apple and Amazon were very weak on Friday. Same with AMD. So and Meta kind of held there and Google too, but the market's looking weak. So I'm most like looking for playing put at strong resistance rather than playing calls. But we'll see. We'll see how everything's gonna move today. But yeah, I'm looking more to play puts at important levels of rejection more than calls. So for the Q, I'm looking to see if the Q is gonna go to 368.50, and if it is gonna reject there, apply the rejection, or if it's gonna act as support. That's the level that I'm looking on the Q. SPY, it's a little more tricky because it's above the 432.50 level of support. So it's either gonna hold there or it's gonna keep higher and or like just go to 432.50 and bounce there. I like more the Q, but because I think it looks easier to trade today out of that 368.50 level of rejection. It can be 367 also, but I like more 368.50. Right now it's at 350, 367. So it's either gonna reject here or higher. I would like to see it going higher, so the rejection is better. But yeah, I like this Q. I like more how the Q is looking today than SPY. It looks easier, the chart to read. Um, but yeah, Meta is like just going. It's very strong. I wanted to play Meta out of 310, but or 314, but it's already at 319. That's too high. I will not trade Meta there. That's too high already. Pre-market. I don't like what when you have a stock that you want to trade and it's just going too much pre-market. We need a retracement there or yeah, a rejection. But I will not play meta puts because so far meta right now it's looking very strong. So I will go for puts on a weak stock like Apple or AMD or Amazon or Google if it's under 140. Yeah, I'm using Apple as an more like an index. Apple it's been moving the entire market the past 2 weeks. So if Apple is looking weak, I will not go for calls. That's how I've been watching Apple lately. It if Apple is strong, I can see the market's gonna go higher. That's basically I've been why I've been watching Apple so much. But yeah, Like always, let's be patient here. So far, SPY is looking weak, but I would not get put if the SPY is so close to 432.50 because that's a level of support there. So it's either loses 40, 40, I'm sorry, 432.50 and I play the rejection here, or I just wait for a SPY to go higher to a resistance level, to a strong resistance level, and play the rejection there. Like the Q it's going, it looks like it wants to go to my level 368.50, and that's where I've been looking to play either the upside or downside. Good morning, morning. Morning, morning. So let's just wait a little bit here. AMD is holding 105, very good. Apple is bouncing. Gonna put Apple here. Morning. Okay, Apple looks like it wants to fill the gap here. So Apple close here, open here. That will be a gap fill. Let's see if it's gonna go higher or it's gonna be a gap close reversal here. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna be patient here. I wanna see if the Q is gonna go to 368.50. That's my level to take any trade. I don't use the and I don't use moving averages honestly, but AMD is bouncing off my 105 level. Let's see. Let's be patient here. Okay, I'm gonna start adding here to the Q to the downside because it's about to hit my target, which is 368.50. So I just added one. I wanna like a little bit higher here. I'm gonna add another one. I'm kind of biased on the downside, which I shouldn't be. I shouldn't be trading like that, but yeah. But let's see, let's see. I'm gonna give it some room till 369, around there. Okay, I want to see a rejection here, which I like what it's doing right now. But Apple is looking kind of strong. It can go to 178.80. If this candle closes like this, it's bearish. I kind of wanted to add more, but I'm up like $100. So I don't know if I want to add more there. I can't, I like the Google 180 reaction there. Google 180, I think it's a good entry here. You can use your stop loss above this morning high. But yeah, no, I don't want more. I'm getting Google puts, 140 weekly. My stop loss is morning high. I'm gonna give it a little bit room to 140.50. Yeah, I'm gonna give it some room to 140.50. Let's see if my Q play is gonna play it out. My Q level. Yeah, I think we're good now. Also, Apple puts with a stop loss at morning high that 178 level is a strong rejection point so far. It's looking like it's a strong rejection point. Google is kind of trying to hold there, which I don't like. I think Apple is looking better for to play puts. Once I'm getting also Apple puts. Let's see, 178 weekly. My stop loss is gonna be here 178.85. Okay, we're looking good so far. Looking pretty good so far. Oh, by the way, I have only one more spot for the discount on the mentoring program, and that's it. Just one spot. Nice. Nice, nice. I'm gonna sell one here. I'm gonna sell two. Just take a little bit of profits here. Selling, I sold two, holding three. Let's see. Ooh, I like this. The Google entry was like perfect. Perfect. Yeah, Google, that was perfect. Well, the best entry was the Q play. Hell yeah. Okay, let's see. Is this 30-minute candle is gonna close like this? The day is gonna be very bearish. This isn't so far, but it's still we still have 13 minutes to go to see if this candle is gonna close like that. But so far, a rejection on previous support. Now clearly acting as resistance. Very like easy 101 trading, like technical analysis, 101 technical analysis. Let's see if we're gonna lose here. The VWAP and INMA. Google is looking weak. Apple is looking weak. SPY is kind of trying to hold there. You wanna see Google under 140. Apple is dying. Who's in Apple puts with me? I got a little bit late entry because the entry was here, but I still like it. Nice, nice. Tech is still looking very weak. Yeah, because Apple is very weak. SPY is trying to hold there. I can see the Q is kind of trying to hold here because it's kind of a little bit of support. If it loses this support, um, it can definitely go lower and fill the gap here. That's what I want to see the Q doing. I want to see the Q going lower and fill the gap. And that will be my exit point because it's near the 364.50 level, which is my support. Obviously, you can still lose the support, but the play is like play the rejection of resistance and then just fill the gap. Okay, we're looking good. Apple is dying. That's good for us. We need the Q to die here also, and Google, and we're done for the day, and that's it. And we don't need to keep trading here. Those 3 trades are green already. We don't need to keep trading here. Why bearish bias? Because what's the overall trend now? So SPY and the Q had a clear uptrend, and it was clearly broken with a bearish engulfing candle on Friday. So that's why I'm bearish. So now I'm expecting either some consolidation between 368.50 and 370, or the market's gonna keep going lower. Also, On Thursday, the market had a very bad news with the bonds, and that's bearish for the US economy. So I don't see why the market should keep going higher. Like, there is no reason why. Well, no, I do see why the market could go higher. Earnings, because earnings can change that. But the big ones like earnings of Microsoft, Apple, what else? Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, those three can change the direction of the market. And the market by history, the November and December month, most of the time the market goes up. But right now, so far the trend is it's bearish. Like, it's not bearish, but it's not bullish. So I want to see here because this is kind of bullish on the Q. It's holding above pre-market high and it's kind of looking like it's flagging, and SPY looks like it doesn't want to go lower. Yeah, we have Netflix and Tesla this week. So that can change on Wednesday, right? So if you made some money on Apple and Google, make sure to lock some profit. You know, SPY clearly doesn't want it to go lower. The cute fighting, but I think because Apple is so weak, it's having trouble to go higher here. But I want to see how this 30-minute candle is gonna close, because so far it's closing. So far it's very bearish on the Q. On the SPY, it's I don't know, because it's rejecting resistance, but it's also holding support. So it's SPY, I don't know. That's why I said pre-market that I think the Q was easier to read. I wanted, like, I said pre-market that for me the Q looked easier to trade. I don't use supply and demand. I don't understand why people call that supply and demand. And I honestly don't understand why everybody's all over supply and demand. That's support and resistance. That's that's it. Support and resistance. And no, I don't use indicators. The only ones that I have on my chart are the VWAP and INEMA, and I don't really use them that much. I'm more into like strong support, resistance, like important levels. And I pay a lot of attention to candlesticks. I don't see the difference between supply and demand and support and resistance, honestly. Like, I don't see any difference there. But maybe I just need to like study that more. But honestly, I don't want to because I'm doing very good um with my levels. Okay, so let's see. Let's see, because So far, the market is holding very good, but the 30-minute candles are looking bearish. Yeah, exactly. If not broken, don't fix it. Price direction, still, I don't get it. Meta is very weak. That's weird. Pre-market was very strong, open, very strong, and now is one of the weakest. Yeah, that's true. Everyone has different styles. Um, and I'm open to learning. That's how I got good at trading because I'm open to learn new things. But also, if something is working really good for me, I don't want to change it. Um, I think 7 years now. Yeah, I think 7 years because I came to the States like I think 9 years ago, and I started learning yeah, a few years after. So yeah, 7 years or a little bit over 6 years. But the first like 2 years, I was just going everywhere, like all over the place. I lost money. I started with penny stocks. I think everyone that started like 6 years ago started with penny stocks. And then I moved to crypto and then options. Okay, this is looking bullish. Let's see, let's see. Let's see if Apple is gonna break this morning high or not. Google is kind of looking bullish here also, but let's see. Yeah, so I learned futures like maybe 4 years ago. I don't even remember. And I've been trading future for a little bit. No, I think 2 months now. Yeah. I thought it was 1 month, but it's 2 months now, or around 2 months. But honestly, I think everything is the same. Like, if you know how to read a chart, and because I'm a very technical trader, everything's pretty much the same. Options, well, you need to learn just the basic stuff, but for me, trading option, shares, futures, crypto, forex is pretty much the same. For mini is ES. Micro is MES. I'm getting one here. I added two there again. So I sold two at the at lower. I add two more here. As long as the Q keeps rejecting this level here, I'm bearish, and the same with Apple. If Apple keeps rejecting this level here, I'm bearish on tech today. I kind of have a feeling that the market is going to do like a big move out of nowhere. But I need the Q to lose this warning like support here. I need the Q to lose the V190 MA and use it as resistance. More like use pre-market high as resistance, not as support. If you're honestly, if you're asking what's the ES mini, you shouldn't be trading if you don't even know that. That's very basic futures stuff. Do not trade. The person that asked me was the mini for ES. You shouldn't be trading futures. First, like go and watch some tutorials and learn a little bit more. Yeah, I feel like the market's gonna squeeze. Like SPY is looking very bullish. It's holding, is kind of like flagging, is holding pre-market high as support. But we'll see, we'll see. Everything keeps rejecting, like keeps holding near resistance, which for me it's bullish, but it keeps rejecting resistance. So I don't know. I don't know what's gonna happen. We just need to wait and see. I'm just gonna hold unless it stop me out. Yeah, no problem. Oh, Fed's talking at 10:30. Ooh, I think I'm gonna have to close my trades. I mean, I couldn't get a better entry than playing the Q downside, entering a resistance, but I don't want to hold with Feds coming because every time any of the Feds speaks, the market goes like crazy one direction. Like the first move is one direction, and then the rest of the move is the other way, especially trading futures. Yeah, I'm out on futures. I don't want to trade this. I'll wait until like Fed starts speaking. Google and is looking bullish. SPY is looking bullish. If SPY dies here, I'm gonna be so mad. It's looking weak now. I'm gonna be so mad. Mm-mm-mm-mm. I'm cutting Google. I don't like how it's stronger than the Q and then Apple. Damn. I'm honestly so sick and tired of data or feds of everyone. Like I just want to trade. Leave me alone. Like I don't wanna. Okay, wait. I kind of like. I'm gonna go with spy downside. I kind of like, but I'm gonna go with very well. I don't know. No. Uh, mm, mm, mm. Should I go with spy? And now I'm late. Okay, I went with the Q. Spy is looking weaker, definitely now. It looks like Google like just stopped me out, but it still is kinda strong, but it's definitely giving signs of rejection here. I'm getting out. I don't like how the market is moving there. I'm gonna wait. I'm just gonna wait. I don't like how the market is just holding pre-market high as support, but it's rejecting resistance. So I don't like that. I'm only holding Apple puts. Yeah, you're right. Inside daily days are like very difficult to trade. I still like Google rejection of 140, but for me, it's holding way better than like the Q and SPY are holding way better than what I was expecting. I want to see like a 30-minute candle red. Like I wanted to see this 30-minute candle with a long wick at the top. That was a clear rejection point, but like this is like, I don't know. All feds are speaking at the same time at 10:30. Couldn't be more like more in the middle of the morning. Okay, let's see how the Q is gonna react here. Okay. Okay, so I got a good exit there on futures. Let's see if 369 is gonna act as a board or resistance there. The Q could still reject here, but I don't know. The market is holding too good and didn't want to go lower. 435 could be a rejection point also, but I don't know. I don't know right now. Remember to give some love to the video, some likes, and again, I only have one more spot on the mentoring program, and yeah, whenever that spot get filled, it's gonna be closed. So only one, I only have one spot for one person. More. Let's see how the futures are looking. I think I have the same chart, kind of. I don't really check the futures, but let's see what levels I have. Ooh, okay. So SPY for it will be like for a little bit above 435. Let's see. 436 more. 436. Okay, I can see this level here on futures is 15 to 79. It can be a reject. Oh, that's NQ. I'm sorry, that's NQ. And for ES, ooh, ES 4400. We have, I like more this one, 4410. So on ES, I had the level here, 4380. It looks like it acts as a board now. Um, mm, mm. 4400 could be a rejection point, but I kind of like more kind of around here. 4410, 4409.50. Mm. But also here, 43, I don't know, 4390 could be also a rejection point. But so far it's looking bullish. I see a lot of stuff happening here. Rejection here, resistance here, resistance here, resistance and support here. So we'll see. But yeah, I like more this level here, 4410, 4409 for a rejection point. Okay, so far, Google was a loser. Apple, so far, kind of a loser too, but I'm still gonna hold unless it breaks this morning high. Futures 220 on each account, so not too bad. Wait, Microsoft is above. Um, what? Microsoft is above Friday high. That's very bullish. Let's see if Microsoft can hold 335 as support. That's very bullish. I'm gonna get out of Apple because it looks like Apple wants to go back and fill this gap here. So I don't like it. Yeah, I got out on Apple. I don't know why my Discord app on my Mac is so slow. Crazy slow. Before I couldn't like the app was all the time getting some like error and I couldn't open it. And then I researched online and I had to change some stuff there and now it's like I can open it but it's extremely slow. This 4 hour like chart is so weird. It is so weird. Like the normal thing, it will be that the SPY will go down here, retest this previous resistance, now acting as support, and then maybe like bounce from here. But it's kind of like in the middle of nowhere. Ooh, any of you have any like have a I'm looking to buy a treadmill, the ones that you like the let me search for that. The small ones that you can like I can be trading and walking at the same time. Let's see. Treadmill desk. Let's see on Amazon. Because I spend so much time sitting here. that I kind of want to move. And then at the gym, I'm kind of lazy to do cardio. I'm more like into sports than just doing cardio. Okay, this one. These treadmills. They're not that expensive. Like 180 is one, 150, 190, 200. I'm thinking on getting one of these. Yeah, I always put my phone on the Stairmaster and I watch some Netflix, or last time I was watching some concerts. But still, like if I have it here when I'm doing the stream, I would not even think about it and I will do like two hours and a half of cardio. No, no falling off. I just need like a stand desk, and then I buy one of these thing and I'll be doing the stream walking here. No, you grab yourself from your desk. By the way, I can see the market moving, but I'm not gonna trade anything with till after 10:30 because I wanna see how the market is gonna react when the Fed speakers start. So yeah, I'm gonna wait. I'm not gonna trade right now. But yeah, I I need like a standing desk and one of these. Um, but you can have one with the where you can like grab it, or it's just like for this, you're just like working on your desk, but you're standing like that. Look how cute the dog is. So cute. Yeah, I think this is gonna be my next new toy. Mm, but I need a standing desk also. I don't know. I will see later. I will check that out later. Yeah, the dog is so cute. Um, ooh, okay. I never use those safety clips on the treadmills on the gym. I should. So we have 4 more minutes till Fed speaker comes. Mm-mm-mm. Microsoft, crazy strong. In AMD, I missed that 105 entry here. It was like perfect, perfect entry there. Then 108, 107.50 is the rejection zone there. But I would not trade anything until past maybe 11, 10, after 10:30. Also, I need some protein bar suggestion. I haven't done the protein bar reviews anymore for like a month. Damn, spice crazy strong. Is the spy gonna fill the gap today? This big gap that it keeps rejecting like midway. Like 438.50 is a perfect entry for a rejection. But that's like $3. That's a $3 move. Ooh, that sounds nice. That protein shake sounds very good. Sounds tasty. Maybe Spy just did a big bull flag here. Maybe. And it's just gonna run until 438.50. Kinda looks like a like a bull flag here. Let me see how's the volume. If the volume, no, because on a bull flag you wanna have a huge volume here and a smaller volume here. But the volume on the pullback was bigger than the volume before. So that is not like a good bull flag. I'm pretty sure a lot of you are feeling some FOMO here because the market is moving a lot higher. It's moving a lot without me playing it, but I'm just gonna wait for A plus setup if I get one because maybe I don't trade anything else today. Okay. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so Fed speaker is talking now, talking about rate hikes. So that maybe it's gonna make the market boom boom. If they say that they're not gonna keep with the rate hike, the market is gonna fly. Microsoft is just going. Google too. Apple is still kind of like not too much, but Microsoft is very strong. I need to get a little more coffee. I'll be back in like 2 minutes. And I'm back. Hmm, mm, 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 mm. Ooh, ES is right at my level. Right at my level here. Oof. Double top there. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Should I try? I'm gonna try this one. I'm gonna go for two. Only two. I only got two. Even though I kind of prefer if it's buy, I can go here and like enter here. And because I prefer to enter a rejection after filling the gap, like a gap close reversal. Ooh, not, thank you for the headlight. That's bearish, right? Yeah. Oh no, they likely done with rate hikes. That's bullish. Ooh, that's bullish. Okay, let's see how ES is gonna react here. That's bullish. Yeah, that's bullish. That's pretty bullish, but I'm gonna hold. I can see like a lot of resistance here. Same with ES. If I see it like holding above, I'm gonna get out. I only have 2 micros, which is very small. But that's bullish. That's a bullish news. Yeah, that's a good one. Bullish with stocks with a lot of debt. Yeah, that's bullish. My contacts are killing me. Mhm. Okay, so far this 30-minute candle is looking just like this one, but we have a lot of time to close this candle here. Guys, watch AMD 107.50. 107.50, 108 is rejecting there. The previous support now acting as resistance. Okay, I like that. Ooh, I like that. If the 50-minute candle closes like this, that's bearish. But ideally, I want to see this 30-minute candle closing like this, but still has 16, no, 17 more minutes to close. I think all the big tech has a lot of that. They use debt as a way of paying less taxes. Let's see, let's be patient here. So far, it's looking good. Mm, okay, so Apple filled the gap. Let's see if it's gonna reject there or it's gonna act as a board. Let's see. Not gonna lie, it kind of looks bullish. It looks bullish. I'm trading here against the trend because the trend today is bullish, but the risk to reward here is too good to not take it. Okay, let's see. It looks bullish, honestly. Mm, So Microsoft is started to look wiki. I feel it's gonna like break this resistance with a strong FU candle. Yeah, I'm out. I'm out. Let's see, if you use 410 as support, the next trade is to scalp to the upside here. Mm -mm -mm. Mm. Apple is tempting me here because it's rejecting the gap. That's bearish. But also I don't wanna like overtrade. Mm, the gap down on the SPY or where? SPY, the Q or mm, the thing is the SPY has a gap above and it has a gap below. I don't like trading when it's like that. I prefer to fill the gap and then trade the reversal or the rejection. But when it's like this, I don't know, it's kind of difficult for me to trade because legit with SPY, okay, I can see clearly a rejection here, possible rejection here at 437 because it's been like a rejection point for 4 days kind of, but also it has the rest of this gap to fill here. So the best entry for puts is after it fills this entire gap. That's the best entry for puts. But 437 can be another good entry. But today the market just went up and up and up. So I don't think it's good that I keep looking for put plays when the market is going higher because I'm going against the trend. Hmm. I'm just gonna wait here and put some vodka on my coffee. No, I'm just kidding. I don't put any vodka on my coffee. But yeah, like, yeah, so let's just wait and see. So if 4410 holds on ES, that's bullish, and we can play some little scalp there to the upside. But I feel like chasing here. And SPY's moving like very slow. I kind of want to re-enter puts here, but again, I okay, let's wait. I don't know. If this 30-minute candle closes with a big wick at the top, I'm gonna try it again, puts. And it's gonna be my last trade of the day. But I'm gonna wait until some seconds until this candle is gonna close. Kalua? What's that? What's Kalua? Kalu? Oh, Kalua coffee. Mexican coffee? What? What's that? What's... Oh, okay. Oh, Bailey's. Bailey's is a good one. Ooh. Kind of feel like buying one of these and try it because I love everything like with coffee flavor. Like I love ice cream coffee. Oh, it's Bailey's. I love Baileys, but I don't drink it too much because it's too high in sugar. And for me, like sugary drinks are very dangerous because I get drunk like extremely easy with anything. And when I have a drink like Bailey that is very sweet and I like it, I will go like crazy. Or ice cream, yummy. Ooh. Mm-mm-mm. But I didn't know you can buy it like this. Or these ones. I think this is just the brand. I don't think it has, yeah, it doesn't have any alcohol here. Okay, let's see if yes, it's gonna break here. Needs to boom boom here. This is a key level right now, or for today at least. Damn, I didn't see this wick here. This play perfect for how I play wicks. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, that's clearly bullish. I'm gonna go with two playing the long side here. You wanna see it holding at least 44.08. Most likely 44.10. You wanna see this 30-minute candle holding here. Ooh, I don't like that. That rejection on Apple. Yeah, I don't like that. Okay, I'm I'm done for the day, guys. I don't want to keep trading here. This is way too slow. Way too slow for me to trade. I had a good entry in the morning and that's it. I don't think I want to keep playing this. Yeah, everything is at resistance. Okay, last trade and I'm gone. Last one. If this one stop me out, I'm gone. I only want to see Apple rejecting here. Like, needs to reject 179. Under 179, the Q is gonna be bearish. And also 370 on the Q. I hope tomorrow is gonna be better. Let me check the weather because I wanna go to a pool. I wanna finish this stream and go to a pool. But the day is a little bit. Oh no, it's sunny. It's sunny. The weather here in Miami it's been ass. But today it's a little cloudy, but it's mostly sunny. So yeah, I'm gonna go to the pool. Cold? No, it's not cold. Well, here in Miami, let me say, we are at 76 degrees, like perfect. Because last week was crazy hot. Ooh, Key, I love Key Biscayne. Mm. AI? I haven't checked AI for like months. Okay, bye. Done. Finito. Ciao. Okay, so no. 200 day for me in futures, red day in options. Um, it was not too bad. Not no, honestly, I didn't like how I trade today because I should have just get the first trade and that's it. Oh yeah, you're right. AI looks like it's a very good level 24 for an entry, but I would prefer first to see one daily big daily green candle. Like you can like I think AI is very safe here if you can enter like a month out and that's it. Like for a swing trade, yeah, a month out and you're done. And you just put alerts there. If it loses 24, you get out. Oh yeah, January 24, it's a good one. Um okay. So yeah, I'm done for today, guys. See you tomorrow again on the stream. If you have and if you are on a mentoring program with me, I'll see you in a few hours. Bye. Thank you for being here.